All right, guys, we're starting a new list today. The Fall 2018 Hard Request List. The first one up on the list, Bee Gees, a song called Words. And let's take a listen to the beginning of it. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this whole song will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your mobile devices, your iPads, your iPhones, any tablet you have, or even your desktop computer if that's what you want to do. And I even have beginner lessons on the site if you are a complete beginner or you just need a refresher, or you just need to get used to my method. I have 79 beginner lessons on the site to help you get started, but a lot of people just jump in. Maybe you'll be one of those. So we are in the key of G here, and we do have a little pattern on the bottom. I did occasionally add a little bit because the piano part is a bit lacking here and there because the other instruments are going. It doesn't need to do too much. So occasionally I will fill it out a little bit, but it still sounds exactly like the original, I think. But we'll start with the left hand with a G triad broken chord pattern. So we have G, B, D. So you want to find that in the middle of the piano with your left hand. Just get your fingers on those keys before you start with 5, 3, 1. And we'll go G, B, D, B, G, B, D, B. And you still do it here. You keep that pattern going. And then we'll switch to a low G when we get to that point. Let's take a look at these first two measures here. Right hand, a G octave, right there. 1, 2, 3. On count 4, we have a triplet, an eighth note triplet. Triplet. And you can see how it fits together with the right hand. You play with the D, but you put the B in between. Da, 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 da. That's what you can kind of say. Da, 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 da. Whenever you have triplet against a duple, you have 2 against 3. And da 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 da, that B kind of goes in the middle. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so you have 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, so you play the G octave there again. G, G. That might throw you for a little while, that rhythm there, if you've never done it. But just keep playing it, it'll start to feel natural. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's pretty straightforward. Those go together. Then we get here. On the left hand, I'm going to do a G, but I'm going to add a D for me. So if you want to pencil that in for yourself, you can do that. Add a D with it, G and D together. Just kind of hang out on that. And the right hand's going to have the pattern the left hand had to start with. G, B, D, B, G, G. There's 2 Gs in a row there. And then bop, bop, bop. Those were a little faster, so when you have a little faster notes, like 16th notes, I'll put a little slur, a curved line there. C and D together to G on the thumb. Bop, bop, bop is the rhythm. Bop, bop, bop. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and da, da, da. Okay? And then we'll scroll over a little bit so you can see a little more of it. This measure is almost exactly like this one, except you have G, B instead of 2 Gs. So G, B. All right, so that's the exactness that I try to give you on these transcriptions, is really give you, to the best of my ability, what the artist is playing. So those 2 measures together are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and then the singing will start after that. Well, that's our part 1 lesson, and I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll finish it. A lot of great Christmas songs on the site. There's 21 beloved Christmas songs that you've heard your whole life since you were a kid, and even some new ones. A whole kind of, variants of different Christmas songs. It's a great time to get a membership to the website so you can get started on those. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1. Talk to you later.